Okay, yeah. So what are we gonna do now? Like, what's the next steps?
Next steps is we are working in our hosting, and then when also another thing is, don't worry, ma'am. If you need any change, we make it, and then if you have to change anything, there he can make anything. It's all everything is customized, you know.
Okay.
So it's a no. I think they have no issue. If you need anything change, you can do that, and he I think he can change anything, and then so right now we can do that. He can start the work in her hosting, and then after the end of the process, when you separate with your partner, and then we will this file we are submit in your hosting.
Okay. So do you need like a deposit from me now, or what do you need from me?
Right now, I think your every information I think have in your website. All of there have every text, every content, everything have. I think do you have any videos you want to put in your website? Do you have?
Not now. Maybe in the future, I might put YouTube video, like something.
Okay. Do you want to put any blog?
Maybe we have a blog.
Okay, so okay.
We have a blog already.
Okay, so blog images and also. So right now that's it. If he need anything else, he contact with you.
Yeah, and if there's anything else that you guys think of that will be good, I'm open. So just let me know.
Sorry.
If you think of something else to add into the website,
Yeah.
you can let me know. I'm open to something new.
I got it. We will obviously we will suggest to you.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's it.
That's it. Just tell him to WhatsApp me, and we'll stay in contact.
Yeah.
If he wants a deposit for me to send the money, I can send it. Do we know like how much it's gonna be exactly?
How much is good for you?
I told him like 100 Canadian
Okay.
was my max, but I could send like if dollars right now just to get started,
Okay.
and then I'm obviously open. I don't want to take I'm fair, so at the end of the day it's just right now we have budget and like our company and we're splitting it, so I can't put too much money honestly.
Okay.
But even if we do it slowly, we're good.
So that's it, ma'am.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye.